Okay, you can go now.
Okay.
Isn't it crazy? Julie, you should do it. Come on. Come on. Is that a rooster?
Yeah,
Yeah.
Where?
Those are split chickens. Why do they have those cars in their back?
because they're having a party. Like us.
Yeah.
Touch.
Do it.
Oh, yeah. We're gonna walk away with broken bones and.
Yeah, what?
Yeah!
Don't need the truck when you're gonna get by something.
I thought it worked like that. Yeah!
Yeah.
That totally just made my day.
What'd he do?
You went,
Do a flip.
You rocked it.
no,
She just looked at you like you're smoking crack.
you probably are.
Madison, is there something you want to tell us?
Confessions time.
Crack is whack. Confessions 101.
But I know how to send everybody flying.
Oh no, okay, I'm gonna get off on that note.
Oh, why is it so hot?
She's gonna make everybody fly. Oh!
No, y'all should bounce. Y'all should bounce Shelby
Okay, wait.
or Stephanie.
No! Stephanie's too old for rope.
Let's bounce Harley.
Aww.
Let's bounce Harley.
You missed it. I did a backflip. You missed it.
Thank God.
Hey!
Broken bones on us older people are hard to heal.
Julie, I'm making my heart return!
Or what?